Hi, welcome to my studio. My name's Kris. I've been having a lot of people ask me lately how I set up my camera to shoot my videos for this channel, in particular my top-down shots. So I thought I'd upload a quick video showing my setup. This overhead camera stand is made by GlideGear. The stand is made of sturdy steel and aluminum. The top bar is about 27 inches above the table surface, which seems about perfect for my Canon M50 with a wide-angle lens. You can see here the shot I'm able to get from that height. It's just right for capturing the entire work area. It also has this camera mounting bracket that includes a standard 1/4-inch mount screw. And there are also tons of 1/4-inch holes all along the legs and the top bar so you can attach other equipment. As you can see here, I have an LED light mounted off the back side with just the right angle for lighting my work. I'm not sponsored by the manufacturer and I'm not being paid for my review. I'm just happy to give my endorsement to a quality product. If you'd like to learn more about the camera mount, I've got a link down in the description and you can read their website and learn more about it. And again, I hope this has been helpful. If you're trying to set up a camera in the same way, I think you might really want to take a look at this camera mount by GlideGear. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.